In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar not sending notifications. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you rely on reminders for important events. Let's get started with the first step. Open your browser and search for Google Calendar. If you're using Chrome, a quicker method is to click on the Google Apps icon. You will find it in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you click it, a menu will drop down. Look for the calendar icon and select it. This will take you directly to Google Calendar. Having direct access to the calendar is essential because it allows you to manage your events without delay. You should see your calendar view appear on the screen. Next, take a close look at the address bar, which is located at the top of your browser. You'll see the web address, and it should read something like https://calendar.google.com. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are on the correct page of Google Calendar. If the address is incorrect, you might be using a different service or site, which could lead to further issues. Make sure that you are on the right URL before moving forward. Now, click the padlock or settings icon next to the address bar. This icon indicates the security settings for the website you are viewing. When you click it, a small menu will pop up showing information about the current site. This step is important because it provides you direct access to the permissions Google Calendar has on your browser. These permissions affect how notifications are handled. You will see options related to site settings appear. From this menu, switch notifications to allow. This action ensures that your browser can send you notifications from Google Calendar. Notifications are vital for reminders, and enabling them is the first step in troubleshooting this issue. This small change will significantly enhance your ability to stay updated on upcoming events. After making this adjustment, you can close the settings menu. Next, go to the Google Calendar Web Settings gear. Look for the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the Google Calendar interface. This icon represents settings and options. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. Finding the gear icon is essential because it leads you to more detailed settings that affect your calendar experience. Once you click the gear icon, additional options will appear. Now, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Google Calendar. Adjusting settings here is crucial because it allows you to fine-tune how your calendar operates, including notifications. You will see a list of settings categories on the left side of the screen. Next, click on General in the Settings menu. This section contains the overarching settings for your calendar. It's important to check these settings because they can impact how notifications and various features function. You will now be directed to the General Settings page. After that, click on Notification Settings. This section specifically deals with how and when you receive notifications about events. Adjusting these settings is vital for ensuring you don't miss important reminders. You will see various options related to notifications. Finally, change the drop-down alert type from Off to Desktop Notifications. This change ensures that you will receive alerts directly to your desktop. Notifications help keep you informed about your schedule in real time. By making this change, you're taking significant steps to ensure you stay organized. Once you have selected desktop notifications, your changes will be saved automatically, and you should now be set to receive notifications from Google Calendar.